Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be hanging out with BradenBuildz. They demonstrate how to repair broken objects on their channel, giving them a second chance at life and making them appear brand new. In this instance, they made the decision to fix a sturdy trailer that was once used to transport bulldozers. It has heavy-duty timbers and 8 leaf springs, among other important structural parts. But because it was neglected for so long, it had a number of problems. It was severely rust-eaten, missing a few wheels, covered in filth, and lacking the security chains and jack. A detailed inspection of the trailer's state was the initial stage in the repair procedure. Cleaning it using pressure washing to get rid of loose debris, filth, and surface rust was an important step. This is crucial because it keeps impurities out of the way during procedures like grinding, priming, and painting. The entire trailer was coated with a rust-inhibitive primer once the rust had been sufficiently cleaned. By acting as a barrier, this primer keeps oxygen and moisture from penetrating the metal surface. The trailer was primed and then painted with vivid yellow enamel paint. Enamel paint is chosen for its durability and hardness, making it suitable for equipment exposed to harsh conditions. But sourcing this yellow color proved challenging, highlighting the importance of planning for material availability. The trailer's lighting system needed to be completely overhauled because it had previously been used to transport heavy equipment. In order to ensure that the trailer is visible to other vehicles, especially at night or in inclement weather, proper lighting is essential. In addition, operational turn signals, running lights, and brake lights are necessary for safe driving. The lighting makeover required careful wiring, testing, and the selection of appropriate lighting components. The selection of light-emitting diode LED lights was based on their exceptional efficiency, extended lifespan, and dazzling appearance. The choice of amber lights was made because of their excellent visibility, which makes the trailer quite conspicuous from the road. To further enhance the trailer's visibility, especially in low light, more circular lights were installed. Considering that some of the wheels were missing and the rest were for a mobile home, for the purpose of protecting the wheel hubs and axles from additional damage, this operation needed accuracy and close attention to detail. Methodically removing each wheel ensured that the parts were undamaged. Lubricating the hubs prolongs the life of the tires and the hubs by preserving the effectiveness of the wheel bearings. High-grade, weather-resistant wire was used to offer long-term endurance and survive challenging circumstances. Separate cables for the turn signals, brake lights, running lights, and power brakes were incorporated into the wiring harness. Standard color coding made installation easier and guaranteed clear identification for upcoming maintenance. The wires were positioned within the trailer's rails to safeguard them against any physical harm or environmental factors. Additionally, this routing technique assisted in keeping the look neat and orderly. It was necessary to install a new jack, which required structural changes. The high school welding team helped with that by welding safety chains and installing a cross member to support the jack while repairing stress fractures. The structural stability of the trailer depends on these reinforcements. They have to provide safe operation during ring loading and unloading. To prevent penalties and legal problems, it's crucial to make sure the wiring system complies with regulations. Reliable wiring improves the trailer's overall performance and gives users confidence in its capacity to operate. Conversely, tires are essential to the trailer's operation and have an influence on its efficiency, safety, and mobility. The trailer had been abandoned for a while, which is why there were several missing wheels. The rest were old-fashioned mobile home wheels that weren't strong enough for heavy lifting. 4 new heavy-duty tires and 2 spares were bought after careful thought in order to be ready for any future need. The wheel hubs were cleaned and lubricated before each tire was properly installed. It was crucial to follow this step precisely to make sure the tires were firmly fixed and properly aligned. Another essential step in the Enley procedure was balancing the tires. Smooth operation is ensured with balanced tires, which eliminate vibrations that might be uncomfortable while towing. The tires were bolted onto the wheel hubs once they had been installed and balanced. The tires were firmly secured using grade 8 bolts, which are renowned for their exceptional strength and endurance. The deck and safety elements are the main focus of the last modifications. Reinstalling the hardwood planks will guarantee that the trailer is sturdy enough to carry large loads. But first, appropriate markings and reflective tape need to improve visibility and ensure that safety regulations are followed. The selection of treated timber was based on its resilience to weathering and durability. This wood is perfect for outdoor use because it's made to resist dampness, insects, and deterioration. Cutting with precision was necessary to guarantee a tight fit and prevent gaps that would jeopardize the integrity of the deck. On the trailer structure, the planks were arranged to guarantee that they were aligned and spaced uniformly. In order to distribute the weight uniformly and avoid structural problems, proper alignment is essential. Every board was secured at several locations along its length to disperse the weight and improve stability. The planks need to be securely fastened so they can bear large weights without buckling or loosening. For that reason, a combination of leftover motor oil and waste fuel was also applied to the wood. Applying this mixture carefully turns the wooden planks into a strong, weather-resistant exterior. This meticulous method of wood treatment emphasizes how crucial technical know-how is. Since BradenBuildz are specialists in creative solutions, as you have seen, creating something useful out of rubbish requires a great deal of talent and creativity. Most significantly, though, waste is decreased, and what we previously believed to be lost is given new life. Throughout this journey, you've seen the careful planning, detailed craftsmanship, and innovative solutions that went into every aspect of the build. Remember to visit the Maker's channel to view the entire project without editing. Thanks for watching. We hope you find this project both informative and inspiring. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.